Hi, so today we're going to be showing you how to apply false lashes. One of the most important things that you want to do with false lashes is make sure that they fit your eye. The way you're going to do that is you're just going to take your false lashes and you're just going to apply it to your eye without any glue. You want it to start where your natural lashes start and end where your natural lashes end. So with mine, I have not cut these. Usually most brands on me, I don't have to cut. So unfortunately, I can't show you how to cut them. So you want to match this inside piece of the eyelash to the inside piece of your eye. And then the outside piece obviously wants to go to the outside lash, and you want to stop it right with that outside lash. So if it overflows at all, then you're going to want to cut just a little bit. So it's always best to cut not enough than too much. So you just want to cut just a little bit, match it onto your eye, and then cut again if you need to. So we have our eyelashes cut the way that we want and they match up to our eyes. Then we are going to go ahead and apply our glue. So the glue I'm using is just Kiss. You can find it on Amazon, not very expensive. So you're going to go ahead and apply that to the lashes. So you're just going to apply it along this lash line, this lash strip right here. So once we have that applied, we're actually going to let it sit for about 30 seconds. So you want the glue to be tacky. So like if you were to touch it, it would just kind of be sticky on your fingers. That way when you apply it to your eyes, it will stick to your eyes, but you don't want it so dry that it won't stick anymore. With your mascara, you can apply that first. If they're really expensive eyelashes, you may want to apply that first before you put your eyelashes on. I prefer to do it after, just because I feel like it blends my eyelashes in with the false lashes a little bit better than if I apply it first. But if I'm using a really expensive pair of eyelashes, then I'm going to put the mascara on first because it helps the eyelashes last longer. So you're going to go in and start with the middle. Just pop it on there. And then just take a quick peek and just make sure that it's lined up. And I usually just line it up with the inner corner before I line it up to the outside. You just want to get it nice and in there. Okay, then you apply your mascara and you're good to go. That's it. That's all it takes to put on eyelashes. So the most important thing, one, is just to make sure it matches and lines up with your eye. And two, you just want to make sure that that glue is tacky but not too dry. Thank you for watching. I hope that helped.